Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much to my return subscribers for always coming back to watch my video. God bless you all so much. Kiss from thank you. And if you are new here, my name is Annie Krieger. Thank you for joining us. At the end of this video, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. It does not cost a thing to subscribe here, and also hit the notification button to get notified anytime I post a new video. If you like this video, at the end of it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Yes guys, we have a lot in program to bring up here to show you guys, and today guess what I'm making? I am making banga soup. It's been long I ate banga soup, and today I just decided to make one for myself and also show you guys how I do mine. So come with me, let's see what we need for this native soup. Yes, come. Let's go. Here I have beef for my soup, one catfish and one melusa fish. They are all clean. And then I also have a palm fruit, and then I have a bitter leaf, washed bitter leaf. I have dried fish. I have salt to taste, banga ingredient. This particular stick of a thing, I don't know what it's called. If you know the name, please leave a comment down below. Thank you very much. Next, I also have a two red bell pepper and onion. The red bell pepper is just to give it a beautiful color and also a nice fresh taste. I also have a dry catfish, and one scotch bonnet pepper is coming in, dry crayfish and bouillon powder. I'm going to season my meat immediately, and here we go. We are going to cut off unnecessary bone out of our fish and then cut them to our size. Now I am going to blend my red bell pepper and onion and one scotch bonnet pepper. And I am going to transfer this fish in another bowl and season with 2 teaspoons of salt and some of our minced scotch bonnet pepper, the red bell pepper and onions. Just give this a good mix to make sure that every part of the fish is being marinated. And I am going to set it aside and move to the next level. Again, I will transfer my paste in another bowl, and then I will use hot water to dilute it. So I keep adding water and keep mixing until it's evenly mixed, and then I will leave it to rest for about 2 to 5 minutes and then transfer to my soup pot. Next, I am going to use a sieve to strain out my paste just to avoid any sediment in my soup. Yeah, see what I mean? A lot of it, this we don't need it. And then I'm going to use a spatula to go around the sieve to make sure all the paste goes in. So I am now going to add our mixed pepper, like the Scotch bonnet pepper, the onion, and also the bell pepper. And then I added some water also. Our no-name ingredient, I am adding it to it, and then let it cook. Like covering it, it's no go. I later open it up and let it cook for up to 20 minutes. So here we go. See what it looks like after 20 minutes. It's time to add other ingredients. I am adding the dry fish, like the dry catfish and the other dry fish. And then I also added some sliced onion. I love going for red onion because they are a little bit more intensive in taste. So it's time to add our fish. So guys, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? I am adding 2 teaspoons of bouillon powder, and then I am adding my beef. This beef was not necessary. Nobody ate it. Everybody went for fish, like I said it earlier, but no, we needed meat. But now, okay, fine. And then I am going to add a small amount of salt to taste, and the banga ingredient. Like I was saying, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. We have a lot in program to bring up here. Just to support me, please do so. And yeah, thank you so much. Now I am adding bitter leaf and the grounded crayfish. Yeah, everywhere smells so good, like back in those days when we were still small, when mama used to cook this soup for us. I'm going to leave this to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes, and we will come back to see how it looks like. Like I didn't cover this. You don't need to cover. You can cover it, but I think you don't need to cover it. 25 minutes is past. Our soup is ready. See how it looks. Now I am going to set aside because I think it's fine for me. I wouldn't let this go thicker. I am going to strain out all the unnecessary oil swimming up, and our ingredient I think is enough also. See how much oil we have here. My God, so feel wow. But that shows actually that the banga is good, the paste is good, so I am satisfied. There are some you will get, you wouldn't want to eat the soup even, but look at how this turns out. Very good. And then after this process, I will set aside. Like I said, I won't let it thicker than this. Usually back home, we use this small pot, native pot. We call it ugbugbe. Yeah, if you all know that name. In my place, we call it ugbugbe. So that I don't have any here. That's why I preheated my pan, and I'm adding a small amount, small quantity of what I am going to eat now to cook a little bit. See how thick it is now. It's fine. It's time to set to serve. Like guys, please, if you haven't subscribed, again, I keep saying it again and again, please do so to support me. If you like this video also, don't forget to like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and yeah, and we'll see in our next video. See what I have here. Stash, once, and I didn't know you will get this in a shop, in any of these shop, until I went to Germany and my sister bought one and prepared it in Germany, like the stash. 20 years now I haven't eaten any stash, but look at what we have here. This stash, you can get it like Kartoffelmehl, that's what they call it in my country, in the country where I am. And yeah, there you go. Here we have stars. See, I am going to enjoy my meal. Bye for now. Love you all. And see you in my next video. Bye bye.